Would you ever go back? If they gave you a chance? To heaven? For the last 6,000 years, I've fallen in love with this planet. Its plants and wildlife and people. Good food. Really good music. Can't argue with that. Go on. I love it here. I'm finally allowed to love it here. I see no reason to return to heaven. I will always love God, but this, here, now, it's everything. And of course, I can never leave you behind, my good fellow. Thanks, Angel. Would you ever return to hell? Nope, never. I hated hell from the moment I started out as a demon. I couldn't leave. Earth was freedom. It is freedom. And you are too. I'm glad you were the one they chose. I can't imagine it being anyone else. I wouldn't have wanted it to be. You make me feel so at peace with myself. Like it's okay to make mistakes. And oh, what am I saying? This is balderdash. I spent all my time as an angel alone and lonely. I had nobody to talk to. I was an outsider. I believed in preserving life. They believed in the great plan. I was too happy, too free, too bouncy. And then I met you. And you were the first and only angel to smile at me. I went up into the planes to start the universe. It was the only thing that would make this all worth it, I said. But I found you. I got you. I'd never go back to hell or heaven. We can go to Mars. For all I care, I just want to be where you are. Nothing has ever been as special to me as you. Thank you, my dear. That's ever so lovely. What do we do when they come for us? What? Well, they're bound to. Let's not think about that right now. The world is still here. The last 11 years have been tough, but we made it. And we're still together. I asked you to run away. Do you remember that? Yes, I do. I don't know how to explain this. But it's like I need you. You're my smile. You're my tears. You're my happiness. That's all right, we're friends. But it's more. There's always one thing I've noticed about humans. They come in pairs. They hold hands and go for walks in the park and say I love you. They kiss each other. And me and you. I'm sorry. I'm only saying all of this because tomorrow's... I mean, anything could happen, and in case I don't see you again, I just needed to... I've always wanted that. I lied to myself for a long time, but I fell in love with you from the minute we locked eyes. And you never told me. Why? Was there ever a good time? I suppose not. I want you to know that no matter what happens tomorrow, if we're separated, I will always be your angel. And if I can help it, I will not stop Until I get to you.
If they lock you up, I will burn heaven down to its last pebble to find you. I love you.
Well then, isn't that wonderful? What now? We wait. And we stick together. As we've always done.